Myself, Akshita Khandal, pursuing Bachelor of Science from St. Wilfrid College for Girls. Our botany department focuses on inculcating the spirit of hard work and research aptitude. All the teachers possess sound knowledge and expertise in their respective field. The lab has sufficient number of equipments and facilities like autoclave, laminar airflow chamber, centrifuge, incubator, etc. I personally prefer this college as they provide students with solid preparation for their future goals. For the overall development and entertainment of the student, our college focuses on organizing different cultural activities where the students can show their talent. Here, students not only participate in their own college, but they also have various opportunities to take part in inter-college competitions as well. To face the competitive world, our college provides classes for various competitive exams so that students can complete right after they pass out from the college.
Hello, I am Cadet Sakshi Gupta, student of BA second year. Here at St. Wilfrid's College for Girls, I got the opportunity to join NCC. In this unit, the college is giving unique opportunity to the students to develop a sense of duty, discipline, commitment and courage. Every year, cadets from our college participate in various national level camps like Republic Day Camp, National Integration Camp, Annual Training Camp and many social welfare camps. Our college is not helping us to grow academically or professionally, but also in becoming a useful and better citizen. Thank you.
This is Komal Tulambia, pursuing BBA in St. Wilfrid College for Girls. As per my experience in this college, I like their unique approach of learning by doing. Because I have been to the industrial visits, I have been to the interview workshops even when I was in first year. I got to participate in debates and PPT sessions, which is like of a great significance for every BBA student. And beside that, teachers are like so chilled out. They do not bother us with boredom and exam pressure. Instead of following the traditional teaching methods, they focus more on the two-way communication in the class. They keep it simple yet effective. So all in all, I deem this college to be definitely a top-notch when it comes to academics.
She's a student of BCA second year. Here I am say few words about my 2-year experience in St. Wilfrid College for Girls. It's glad to get such opportunity to study in that privileged institution. As a student of BCA, institution provided a laboratory where every student get personal computer system. All the teachers are very cooperative and supportive, not only in academics, also in every field. I am too a player of chess. This college not only focuses on my academics, but also in non-academic field too. This institution provides a platform for all over development of a student. It provides opportunities to participate in co-curricular activities and gives a healthy environment for proceed in making bright in future. I personally think that this institution is best for bright future of student. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Yashita Thadani from St. Wilfrid College for Girls, currently pursuing Bachelor of Science. Have you ever think how the bulb glows or how our fan works? There are more such fascinating questions which we answer through physics. Physics is something where we discuss about motion, matter and energy. But we also discuss how things actually work and on which phenomena these all things are working. And when I talk about how things actually work, we not only need theoretical knowledge but practical knowledge as well. In our college, St. Wilfrid College for Girls, faculty ensures that every student learn the theoretical knowledge in practical way also. By doing this, they are inculcating various knowledge and skills such as aptitude, teamwork, research methodology, and how to perform a practical with safety precautions and all the necessary equipments. Necessary facilities and equipments are also available such as voltmeter, barometer, ammeter and etc. for all the bachelors and masters students.
Hello, myself Priya Gupta. I have completed my BCom and MHRM course from St. Wilfrid's Girls College. It was really a great experience. My college has given me a wonderful life and a good career and continuous motivation by giving some scholarships. It was really a great experience. Now I am currently working with a recruitment company as a recruiter, and I have placed from college itself. Thank you.
Jain from St. Wilfrid College for Girls and for currently in the final year of BCom. To begin with, our college will provide you the best environment for studies and develop confidence and build up personal development and give lots of motivation with the help of lots of academic and non-academic activities. I personally prefer this college for all of you because I have seen my results since I have joined this college. So this college has got the best faculty for their students and set up healthy schedule for their students for their daily routines, and this college will provide you all the commodities for the education such as CA foundation coaching, CS foundation coaching and SSC and other government examination coachings with well dignified classrooms and projectors for more information. So if knowledge is a treasure, St. Wilfrid College is key for it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ishita Gupta and I am from St. Wilfrid Girls College. I am currently pursuing BCom final years, and all of us aware that graduation is very important for every student. Our college will not only provide us the theoretical knowledge but also give us the practical knowledge as well. Our college will also provide the activities and competitions which will develop a confidence and motivation in our students. The St. Wilfrid Girls College have provided certain skills that has helped us in shape ourselves in emerging personalities and become a successful person in life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yashashvi Soni from St. Wilfrid College for Girls, and I am currently pursuing my BCom from this college. I would like to share my experiences regarding this college with you. This institute provides professional faculty who tells us about what happens in our real life studio and real life fields, and also provide a practical knowledge which we are need in our daily life. And I would like to share that after my graduation, I really miss my best faculties and my hangout spots in the campus and all the workshop. So you guys, if you are interested, then you please come and visit this campus. Trust me, this is amazing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pariti Chan and I'm pursuing Bachelor of Business Administration from St. Wilfrid College for Girls. Why I opt BBA as my career? BBA gives an opportunity to acquire professional skills in the early stage of my career as a management professional. Why I opt BBA from St. Wilfrid College for Girls? Because it gives a good amenities like library, classrooms and good faculty. It provides a secure environment for a girl. Being a student of St. Wilfrid College for Girls is like a family. Every day I am learning new skills. I am enhancing my skills because of my mentors. They are so much supportive. They are so much worried about your career. That's all about my college. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nandini Conte, student of psychology in St. Wilfrid College for Girls. Being here, I realized the whole psychology department is very well managed and the teachers are very experienced and supportive. And the way they teach is very relatable, that makes us understand the concept very well. Lab is equipped with all the necessary equipments like human maze and many more. On and all, this is the best place for studying psychology. Thank you.
Hi, this is Mansi Barrett from St. Wilfrid College for Girls. I am currently pursuing BBA. The best thing I like about Wilfrid that there was a good interaction between faculties and students. We do require certain additional skills which Wilfrid College provide us. Various practical activities takes place in this college that has helped us to shape ourselves into emerging personalities, gaining confidence. Technique aspects are like more interesting. There you have marks on your presentations. Here, as a lot of extracurricular activities like sports, we have an entire infrastructure ready over here and try to build leadership in sports. Hostels are very good, like properly maintained. That's good. Thank you.
Myself Atharva Mittal. I am a student of BA final year
of Wilfrid's College for Girls. I want to tell you some beautiful things about my college which I have experienced in past 3 years. Firstly, my college has a very friendly environment and our faculties are also very cooperative and friendly too. They help us in every way, whether they are our subject teachers or not. In fact, they are very close to each and every student at personal level. Our college also helps various sports and cultural activities too. I have myself won gold medals for our college and represented university. Our college doesn't only focuses on study but also develops our skills, whether by workshops or tour or fieldwork. So, with the closing words, I want to say that I am the lucky one because I have taken this opportunity of being the part of this college. Thank you.